Powerful earthquake rattled southern Taiwan just a few hours ago. It is morning there now, and this is actually a live look at the rescue crews on the scene of a 17-story residential building collapse. If you can believe that was 17 stories, the building you're looking at. They are racing against the clock to save people still trapped inside. Crews have pulled more than 200 survivors from the high-rise building, including this child. The strength of the quake buckled the walls, leaving behind just a pile of rubble. Firefighters and soldiers are now using ladders, cranes, and other equipment to get inside. Officials there say at least 3 people died in the 6.4 magnitude earthquake.
U.S. investigators are now in Somalia trying to help look into the possible bombing of a passenger plane this week. We are also getting a word tonight that there have been multiple arrests connected to the case. Some officials believe a suicide bomber in a wheelchair detonated a bomb and that explosives were inside a laptop. But people close to the investigation have contradicted those claims.
Well, it's a mystery no more. Researchers have confirmed what killed 300,000 fish in the Peconic River last summer. A joint study found rising water temperatures and a spike in algae caused low levels of oxygen in the river. Environmental experts say the results prove that excess nitrogen is polluting the water. Suffolk County officials say upgrading wastewater treatment infrastructure is one of the best solutions.
The 6th man to walk the moon has died exactly 45 years after his Apollo 14 mission. Astronaut Edgar Mitchell passed away last night at a Florida hospice after a short illness. He was 85. Mitchell and Alan Shepard helped NASA recover from Apollo 13's near-fatal mission by going back to the moon in 1971. NASA's administrator called Mitchell one of the pioneers of space exploration.
I want to go back to the crane collapse for just a moment because there was really a special moment in the middle of all that disaster and chaos down there.
I very joyfully pronounce you married.
An FDNY chaplain was a hero for one couple. Chaplain Ann Cansfield saw Nesh Pillay walk out of a salon into the snowy street in her wedding gown. Cansfield helped her navigate the crane accident site. Nesh was on her way to the city hall to marry Aaron Vanderhoff, but because of street closures, she missed her city hall wedding appointment. So the chaplain came to the rescue again and performed the wedding.
That is the New York spirit right there, right?
Only in New York, yeah.
Only in New York. Incredible. All right, so let's talk about our weather.
Well, it's getting cold out there tonight, and we have plenty of snow across the area today, especially Long Island. Many areas seeing up to a foot of snow, and a lot of melting after that because the sun came out. Well, now it's freezing over as the temperatures drop down below freezing across the area this evening. This picture looks pretty benign right now from our top of the rock camera, but it is cold outside. But the reading in Central Park is at 33 degrees, so just above 32, just above freezing, but it feels like it's in the 20s. That's going to be the case throughout the night. The winds aren't too gusty, but they're brisk across the area. And that slush and snow freezing over after some melting today. That'll happen again tomorrow night because we'll have more melting over the weekend as the temperatures warm into the 40s. But it's a nice weekend, nice and sunny. Until we get to Sunday night, we'll start to see clouds rolling in, and we're tracking the possibility of not 1, not 2, but 3 storms next week that will bring more nasty weather. So temperatures right now out across Long Island, we've had all that snow today, 30 in Wading River, 28 in Babylon. So it's freezing over for you. It's 27 in Islip. Temperatures are in the 20s in Long Branch, Newburgh, up to 32 in Poughkeepsie. It's cold all over. And with the brisk breeze blowing out there right now, it feels like the teens and 20s in most spots. Monticello, your wind chill's at 15. It feels like 29 in the city. The skies are clear across the area. The snowstorm is gone. We do have a few clouds moving in that'll be here tomorrow mixed with the sunshine, but we don't have to worry about snow this weekend. But the next storm is in the making. Doesn't look really that incredible right now. It's pretty benign south of Wichita near Dallas. It's raining, but that energy dives into the Gulf of Mexico, transfers to low pressure that will form north of Miami, and that moves up the coast on Sunday. So Sunday night into Monday, we could be seeing some more snow in the area. Tonight, it's clear. Black ice is the problem for many spots. In the morning, again, watch out, roads and sidewalks, 32 in the city, but then warming above 40 by the afternoon. As a matter of fact, into the mid-40s to near 50 on Sunday. So the temperatures will be warm enough to melt a lot of the snow that's out there. It'll refreeze again a little bit overnight, but just as soon as this starts to melt, here come the clouds again on Sunday evening, and that next coastal storm is going to come pretty close. It's still too early to really give details on it, but Rafael Miranda will be here tomorrow morning with the Storm Team 4 update to talk about the Monday storm, and not just Monday, but also Tuesday night into Wednesday. A separate storm is possible. That could also bring some snow and maybe some ice too. And then Friday, it's a little bit of a pattern here, but we'll keep you posted all weekend. Have a good one.
All right, Janice, thank you. John, what's coming up in sports?
Well, for the Knicks to entertain any kind of playoff thoughts, they have to have Carmelo Anthony on the floor. Didn't have him tonight. The Knicks had no chance without Carmelo Anthony and Lance Thomas missing in action, right? Oh, not so fast. This one went down to the closing seconds. And Eli Manning won't get his hands on a